Hey guys, Bruce KC1FSZ here, giving an update demonstration on the W1TKZ digital repeater controller project. Just a quick reminder, we have the radio interface board here, the digital control board right here, and this circuit over here simulates two radios connected, VHF and UHF. They're connected through the DB25 connector to the radio interface board. This switch simulates the carrier detect on the VHF receiver. This switch, the carrier detect on the UHF receiver. There's a green LED buried in here, which is driven by the push-to-talk control for the VHF transmitter. And I've connected an audio amplifier and speaker to the VHF transmit audio so we can listen to what's going out on the VHF side. Since the last demonstration, I've implemented the complete audio path through the repeater controller. Remember, this is a digital audio path, so the analog audio is converted to digital, switched through the software, and then converted back to analog on the output to the transmitter. And what I've done in order to simulate some audio is I've connected my analog signal generator with a 1 kilohertz tone, put that into the receive audio path of the VHF receiver, and then into the controller on the appropriate pin. That will allow us to hear the receive audio back through the entire audio path. So I'm going to key the carrier detect on the VHF receiver, and we should hear the audio pass through the controller and go out on the VHF transmitter. So I'm going to test that right now. There's the receive audio. The yellow is the audio input and the blue is the audio output. So you can see it's a clean copy of the audio being received. I'm going to drop the carrier, hear the courtesy tone, and we'll probably get an ID here in a second since this hasn't been run in a while. There's the ID going out. One other feature, this was suggested by Dan W1DAN. You'll notice the courtesy tone has changed slightly on the VHF side. It's an up chirp. And just to be able to differentiate where the input is coming from, we'll notice that if I simulate a carrier detect on the UHF side, we'll have a slightly different courtesy tone. It's a down chirp. That's all we got today. 73s, have a good one.